Hello, my name is Christoper Huxandy from second science class, grade 10. Today I'm going to show you on how to make a greeting card. This is a Happy Father's Day card. I will show you on how to make this kind of greeting card. But first of all, I'm going to show you the tools and the material that you're going to need on making this greeting card. Okay, as I said it before, now I'm going to show you the materials and tool. So the tool we need is only scissors, and then we need decoration such as fake leaves and beads, and then we need buffalo paper, origami papers, glue, and also double tape. Now I'm going to show you on how to make the greeting card step by step. Okay, so the first step is we take 2 buffalo paper. We take for the base first. We will take this white color and we flip this. And then we take a ruler and we mark it 3 centimeters from below and 11. So like this, one is 3 and one is 11 centimeters. And then we take again and we line for at least 6.5 centimeters from here. Make a line according to the dots that we have made, and then we connect both of this line like this. So after we made this line, we cut this line, just the side line, the side. After this, we fold this with the line that we've made. Best to use the ruler for. Now we will take the red paper and we're going to fold it again. After we fold this one, after we folded this, and we are going to glue the white and the red buffalo paper together using glue or double tape. Like this. Now we will move to the next step. Okay, now we have 2 pieces of paper, and now we are going to mark each of them, one with 4 centimeters distance between the marks, and one is 5 centimeter distance between each marks. So first we are going to mark 5 centimeter each. This, and we are going to fold each on their marking. Okay, so we are going to put this on here. So we will take the biggest one and then we will stick this here. Now we are going to make a heart. I'm going to make hearts in here. So I will cut the outline of the heart like this, and we are going to make a few of them. Now I finished making these ornaments like hearts, candles, and another hearts. So I also made this stick so that we could glue this to the hearts. Now we are going to stick this on to the greeting card. Yes, now we are going to stick this using again double tape. Now we are going to stick the candle using this. So like this. Now we are going to continue decorating. Like this, and then we going to add another ornaments for decoration in the card. Now we will continue decorating using this buffalo card. This, the glue stick, the glue. So I'm going to take another paper like this, two of this, and we will cut in a shape of a leaf like that. Yes, so after this we are going to stick these leaves on the opposite color, so like this. So like this. Okay, so for the interior design we only need one buffalo paper and one origami paper. So we will cut the buffalo paper with a length of 27 centimeters and the width of 5.5 centimeters. Then we will cut this. So now after we cut this, we will take the origami paper and cut this for around 5.5 centimeters and 5.5 centimeters. So like this, we will need like 4 of this square. We need this, and we need white paper with the size of 4.5 and 4.5. So now we are going to stick the white squares to the pink square. Now we measure the blue paper, the blue buffalo paper, onto this with the size of this paper. Okay, now we stick the paper into each line. And then we take this again, we cut. And then we glue it. Okay, so the last one is with we cut it like this. This would do. this, and then we put a little touch, pull, I go put it here. Okay, we're going to write something here. So we are going to write Happy Father's Day, best dad ever, or best father ever. Like this. Now we're moving for some little touch, another decoration. Okay, so we are going to write the words here. So I'm going to write I love you very much, Papa. Okay, I finished making these words, so we only need to stick it. So we could add a balloon below here. Like this, we could design something. We design for the inside of the greeting card. Now we just need to put Happy Father's Day here. Okay, this is the finished product. This is a greeting card that I've made. I've been making. Like this. This is the cover. Then this is the inside. This is the cover, like this. And this is now the inside. So like a pop-up cake or some sort, or a present. And then this. Happy Father's Day, best dad ever. Then I love you very much, Papa. Now this is the greeting card that I've made. This is a congratulation card on the event is Father's Day. Like this. Yes, so you could pull this and it's a pop-up. So when you close it and you open it, it will pop a present. Yeah, I think that's all for my how to make a greeting card for Father's Day event. Thank you very much.